Itong, alam niyo yung Mutual Defense Treaty natin, mahirap suddenly i-invoke mo yan without having the two armed forces involved in the treaty na magkaroon man lang ng mga coordinated exercises para hindi sila maninibago. So, ang tinatawag dyan yung interoperability of the US forces and the armed forces of the Philippines. So, ano yan, hindi mo malalagyan ng value yan kasi pagdating ng gera, hindi kayo basta-basta parang ina-assume natin na automatic suddenly magvo-volt in yan, then they can do their thing. Hindi pwede yon. Kailangan meron silang mga exercises prior to that para magkaroon ng cohesion, magkaroon ng interoperability. Yun na nga po.
Sir, some are saying na unfair daw ho, dehado yung Pilipinas, yung EDCA favoring lang daw po sa interes ng Amerika.
Nasa sa kanilang pananaw yan, pero yung sa ating pananaw, ganito yan, ano? With this, practically meron ka ng security blanket na instead of mag-engage tayo in an arms race, we will pour in billions of pesos sa modernization natin. At least dito, pwede mo nang i-scale down yung I'm not saying hindi na natin, i-disregard na natin completely. Tutuloy pa rin natin yung modernization program natin. Pero given our limited resources, at least makakasigurado ka pa rin that merong mag-fill in ng mga kakulangan natin. Particularly, wala tayong anti-air warfare capability, anti-submarine warfare capability. So, for external defense, kahit na meron tayong mga bagong equipment na nakukuha, kulang na kulang pa rin yan even for the next 20 years. Yan. Malinaw yan doon sa Mutual Defense Treaty. Pagka inatake yung ating teritoryo, hindi ito yung mga disputed territories. So yung territory, let's say Palawan, let's say Luzon, yan. Or any vessel ng ating government. So, doon sila pwedeng pumasok. Yun yung maliwanag.
So, sir, kung doon sa disputed territory, nangyaring pag-atake.
I believe it was articulated by President Obama, and it was articulated by even former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton then that they will not intervene in territorial disputes. So, maliwanag na kasi yun right from the start na nagtataka nga ako, bakit kasi parang pinipilit na oobligahin sila. They've been saying that to us even before this EDCA was been entered into, or even before the negotiations started.